Mike David from Rohrer Bus Sales. Today we're here to demonstrate our brand new Transmist system. Transmist is a 100% automatic bus sanitizing system. Our customers have asked us for a system to deal with the mounting costs associated with sanitizing buses per CDC guidelines. The Transmist takes all the weight off the driver while at the same time sanitizes your buses so your students and your parents know that they're riding on the cleanest bus possible. The system is easy to operate. It comes with many different size tanks depending on your needs. I'm going to run through the operation of the system. The system is almost completely hidden in the bus and is very robust and simple to install. The system starts off activation. Number one, there's several safety guidelines and checks that we're going through. Number one is ignition power needs to be off. I'm going to demonstrate as if the bus was running at this point. We're going to turn the ignition off. We have to insert the special key. We're recommending that the key gets attached to the driver's key so it doesn't get lost, and also guarantees that ignition power is off. Please note the system will not work if the ignition is turned on. This is one of our hallmark safety features. Step two, we take this key, we come over here to the panel. The system beeps. The key will self-eject, so there's no worry of leaving the key behind. Step three is we walk to the back of the bus, just like you do today with your childminder system. The button is conveniently located right next to your childminder. The button is going to be depressed until you hear a chirp. The system is now armed. This particular configuration has it set for 55 seconds, but that programming time can be set to whatever you like it to be. We will now safely exit the bus, and the system will perform its sanitation job. The system has now stopped spraying. The spray time is determined and programmable through the Bluetooth app that the system is controlled from. Spray time is determined by the size of the bus, many different factors. This system is available on both school buses, commercial buses, transit buses in different configurations. The only difference to the system is we add more nozzles for more coverage. Once the system is done spraying, a red indicator light starts flashing next to the driver. The driver or nobody will be in the bus at this point. Once this system stops flashing, it is counted down the dry down time for the system and is safe to enter the bus again. Thank you and have a good day.